Hey, Parry. Can my girl say I know?
Hi.
Where you there?
St. Mary.
Tell the people where you there.
Mary.
St. Mary with the Parry. Uncle Murphy.
Morning, Barry.
Where you there?
I'm upstairs here in St. Mary.
You get promotion, you're upstairs now.
Yes, looking down.
Yeah. All right.
Man, bless up on yourself.
Yeah. All right, Parry. St. Mary with there again. And all of that. A beer work down a yard. There, beer cleaning up all kind of something. The rain still a fall a little, but not much for that we can't come out. As soon as it roll up, and can't come out. Pure work, more than me can even afford to pay for. But guess what? We're there again, and we'll let you see as we go on in this video some of what is happening, not all. Okay? Next clip. We are go Gully, Parry. We are go over the Gully. So, sure make some little step here, so boy. If me step down, they go in front of me, make me hold on pan, you know. Why? Place wet, Parry. I want me not go Gully. Sure make some little step here. But me a country girl, you know, me will take me time. Terence, go on down now. And then me will hold on pan, you go down. So about should the right here, so Parry. So country life going on. When the rain a fall. Rain a fall. So why you cut up a tree over there, so? Are you cut it up?
Yeah,
Me know, man, me know.
Mama, they brought it 2 times.
Yeah, what time we tell him, so me never trouble him again. Me just make it stay.
One right there, so.
Right here, so.
Yeah.
Mama, they brought it 2 times. They brought it. You know what?
Yeah, man, no pay him no mind, man. That's why him stay, man. So Parry, both show and make some little step there, we make it and step down.
Wait.
Step back, little.
It's
Eh?
how you feel.
Me not pay him no mind, man. Make him do him thing, man. Make him do him thing, show. Cause guess what? They are up on the whole of them, see me. Me not pay them no mind. Hold me, no boy. Parry here, me I tell that to hold me. And me a show now, me a put on my foot in now. Boy, sure. Me a go roll way. Yo, why? Parry, you know see why I go on here, my foot that you know. Hey. Why? Country, but that you roll way, man. Papa Jesus. We don't in a Gully, yeah. Alright, sure. I'm supposed to can't angle myself. No, Parry. We are go up a Gully in a long time. I don't go up a Gully, you know. Bye, sir. Sure, make you weird. Eh? Yeah, man. Me know you alone and a whole heap of work out sitting there, you know, for do. And then the rain come now, you know. And they got them there ball. Why those goats are always crying? What happened? Take too long to move them. So cut the feet and left give them then. We are go over yonder, ya Parry. All up on mama there. Up on the something there. It want chop out and weed out back again. And me know say nobody no go there. Lord have mercy, me and my hands full, Parry. But you know me I do it one day at a time. And I'm me alone in a Parry, just me and dad alone. And anything else, me have to pay and nobody else. But I'm not complaining. I'm just giving thanks. So you hear me a blow? Me I go up a Gully here. Me I go there. It's been so many months I have come over here. Yeah, but me I say yes, so say me have me for them not help. They just want you to give them money. Money. Everything you have to pay them for do. What's happening? What's with that money thing? Why? Oh Lord. So, me there Parry. So Parry. See me here? Me a climb up the hill. You know see me? Yes, mama. Me there up a Gully, ya brother. Why them a place here where me walk as little girl. But it's school under here on the mosquito. She up over there, so. She a do him thing. She a brush out for me. I'm there right here, so. Dad's supposed to be behind me. You know see him? Yeah. Me take my time go up here, so. Me go see what I go on in the bush. I feel like I want to go in the bush today. What you know about bush? Tell me something about bush. Now hear about should I back go on a chap? That behind me. Me see you now. Now the next clip. See? Bush, my dad. So me still there in a Parry in a bush here. Yeah, we are go up on little ridge here. Yeah, see some orange palm tree there, I tell you. So pick on this orange, give me come here. So then so I don't even know. Well, show me a cut nature, nothing wrong. Dad, you hear me run back? You wanna show where I pen then? Right up there, sir. Alright, me I go up for the old ag pen. Me say Parry. Me not forget for me roots, you know. Me I take me time. So show around there so yeah level me want to see it, you know. Level off for that business there, right? Yeah, so boy. We are take with time, Parry. Rome wasn't built in a day. We got a lot to do. But we are taking our time, and as we go, we'll take you along with us, as I told you before, maybe not everything. So, should you have another orange peel for me now? Hey, I saw orange show? No, sweet orange. And all the orange tree in a bush you want chop out and in come and pick up all the orange and you can't chop out the root. Because orange now then sitting in a love bush, you know. Oh. Oh God. Look more Parry. So I peel the orange for me with the machete. Machete. The mosquito them are going around a gully here, you know. Whoa. The pants not tall and a tall pants. A 3/4. Wow.
Should wear a tall pants.
Me not even that check up. Me never, you know, so me never plan for come a bush, but me just move with my spirit. Me come. So, yeah, eat orange. Baba the camera. And me take my time. Me hold on pan fern. Hey, Miss Debbie, careful, you know. Yeah, man, me careful. Me all time. And me all girl. That's my head. Baba the camera. Me rough, you know. Me a whole country girl. Me tell you, me rough. I want to look at you farm. Go on that. Go on. Let me get here. I have to go down back down there. Daddy have to go listen up and make sure you can make them see you. You
want me to carry up on my head or on my shoulder?
Yeah, carry up on
my back. On my back.
Carry up on your head and use that as a pen. Awesome. Yeah, alright, show them over yard now. Then look through the shadows and see over here. Lord, hey, hi. Parry, you look over yonder. Look. So the Uncle Murphy! Okay, yeah, you want to be kitchen down about it. Yeah, yeah, man, you can't see through. Yeah, man, see on. Yeah. Oh, you want to see on through your shadows. You know. Yeah, when the bush then cut where Parry, sorry, orange them mouth. When the bush then cut where, and me over there, so I look, right over here, so now I go see me, so. So me over here so with show, look at things I go on, but I'm not ready to tell you what I go on here so yet. And all of that, I know somebody soon tell me how what to. But I'm over the gully. Camera girl! She not here one thing, she have sitting in a fear ears. Country is not fear. So next clip, Parry. Where you say a gully? So why if how come we Brockway you don't go in there so what we are going to use to keep it from the Brockway? You know, could I go up look more, make you never go up look more. Yeah, catch off the level here so we have to use something.
Yeah, so build off also.
You see fern? You see fern Parry, you see your fern there a while? You know much for one of them fern here at town? You see your fern while? I want fern forest this mean, you know. Yeah. Alright, so when we come back again, you're supposed to almost dead and then get it level and then we can see what we are doing. Right? Yeah. Okay, and go up there so. Alright, let me show them. Which part of the calabash tree there? You see there? You see the calabash tree there over there, so? Yeah, one of them can zoom up on it. I'll show them. I did so, Mama, look at one girl before me when me never know my sister. That I did not know. Yeah, see calabash tree there, all who know calabash tree? Right before the coconut tree. See right there, so yeah man, see the calabash tree everybody's supposed to see. Me not for zoom. Right there, so. First time back in the days, Parry, that's what they would use, berry. You know, the first time thing, them thing they don't work again. She said, anyway, see a calabash tree, somebody berry. So my mommy said, she had a girl long before me come down. Maybe her third or fourth child was a girl. And she was buried right there. She passed on when she was 5 years old. That's what my mom said, so she's right there. I don't know me a number 30 in the line. So me don't know nothing about that. See Aki tree there. Sure I go on for Aki tree there. Now what me yet? Breadfruit done. All them wild pine you want dig off of the breadfruit tree, make the breadfruit tree get to breathe. Hey, that called breadfruit tree a hole in a Barry. And yo, you know me used to pick breadfruit off height when me a lick up pitney and go cook a bush. Oh my God, those were the days. Anybody who watch a video and you remember your roots. When the pandemic over, come back a yard. Come back a yard, come pay up the taxes and clean up mama place. Make you feel good. Okay? And all of that. So she show and dad out there, so. She will line up a little thing right off out here, so. But when we reach there, I know you'll see. But we not really can't tell you nothing what go on here, so right now. So I have a bush me there now. Bush me there. Bush, bush. Next clip, Parry. You come pick your orange when you go down? Alright. So all them holy banana they out there, so you know, Parry. A pear bush and all them chocolate tree I can chop them because the chocolate them have disease and lighten up the place. You see me I say, all this a big fat banana, look how the banana chunk fat. They may just want to clean up and prune up the, I prune it name. They man cut off the dry trash them off of them man and build out the place and make the fresh air come in pan the something them. More than you come in a place and you cut out everything and you know clean up, you know do nothing. Eh? So if you not maintain the place, what going to happen? When you cut a banana and you see the root sucker come up, right, Parry, comment please. That is how bananas come in. You remember say bananas once you plant one, you know, it continually send up sucker. All it asks of you is to just keep the root clean, you know, and cut off the dry leaf them, you know. You know? Go and go get your orange and come. No papa them no bad, you know. We can get few if we carry them 5 and 1 dozen. And give Uncle Murphy get 1/2 dozen. Yeah man.
Get one bag.
So you know should I carry back with you and pick your orange and papa? Or you come back?
You just want one now, then you come back.
Alright, go and go look here and come. Tangerine done show? Sell. Oh. I mean a Gully, and a Gully a Parry and they are dark too. Mama, me now go up on mama today. Me I make it time drop to come work up there one chop out the grow up back. So we all come one next day come chop up back up on mama them. Cause if me not do it, he not do. And as me tell you no, me I try complain less, but sometimes you have to say little sitting. So me there right here so. I try time wet too in a Parry. Try it play rain fall and it place wet. Mama they up there so you can't see her. She they up at top they say bush then grow. But me I take my time and get some money. By faith, God let me forget the money and get some man to clean out the property. So ripe tangerine in a tree there man. Ripe tangerine in tree, tangerine tree bless Sissy Parry. So rent a da bush you know, me say holy heap of banana we have here in a Parry. Banana for kill just me have to go get one somebody. Cause me say man holla him now cut them out. Me have to go pay somebody to cut them out. The amount of banana we have here Parry is more than where John Reed have. Me tell him just one, you know. Weed them out and chop them out. But time. Banana then nothing in the bush man want clean out. Yeah. So me over here Parry. When me go back over yard, over mama. When we see me, no hear me I blow hard, but me glad for the little exercise. And you know what happened? I wanna say thank God for Jesus. So no know me at 55. And me can over here, over the gully here when I grow as a little girl. I ride the terrain them up on a pear hill. Hill most like hill. But thank God for Jesus. I can't come ride the terrain them. I bush me there, you know. Bush me there. Bush me say. And I can't, me just give God thanks. Because I say, at 55, me still can't come take my time and I put up my foot. Nice exercise, man. Fresh and nice, but the place just want bush out. Yeah. So Parry, when I go back, you go them a ball as always. Then me Parry, me if you come from town, if you come move, I'll go at them and sitting, no dice. Next clip. Parry watch a banana there right there, so she should have prune it there. She would have just prune it up. That's a very big banana it's gonna be, you know. Look at the size of the banana chunk, the root of it, look at it. See the Parry me, hey, from young girl, I come up at ridge here. Look at it Parry. This is a really thick banana, you know. You're gonna see when it bursts out. How it go look. Yeah, right on the gully edge so. Look at the chunk of it and then you see the size banana where it go bring. And that's for me gully, this is mama gully. And the house here. Banana them up there so I'm prune. You see them? Big and nice up here. Big banana growing there, you know. So me come over now, you know, Paris. So I go along. Me back underneath Gully down a corner my kitchen here. I don't hear some me there. Me have retaining wall figure make. You no pray for me. Me have retaining wall around here figure make. But to God be the glory. As I go, I will grow. Uncle Murphy, I'm back. Yes, sir. No, we don't. We don't care for mosquitoes. Them up at the, you have them upstairs, up top. Camera girl, say hi to the people in back. Next clip, Paris.